All right, so in this video, let's see how we can make sure that certain emails don't go to your spam folder. So maybe you get some emails from one of your colleagues, and those emails for some reason go to your spam, and you don't want that to happen. Or maybe you get some extortion emails and you actually want to get them in your inbox instead of in your spam. So let's see how we can actually do this. So what we do, we go to our settings. So right now our settings are under this little gear icon on top right here. I'm going to go under see all settings, and that's pretty much where we want to be. So at this point, I want to go to this filters section. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add a new filter, create a new filter. You may already have some filters here like this one, or you may have no existing filters in your mailbox. So for me, I'm going to add, create a new filter. And what we do here, you decide what rules you apply for those emails to actually go to your inbox instead of your spam. So if it's a particular person, then simply just type their email. So I'll just enter some email. So that would be that. So you could also apply, as you can see, other rules, right? You can do it by the subject line or words the email contains. You can use any of these rules. For me, I'm just going to go with this. So at this point, I'm going to click Create Filter. And in this menu, what we want to do, we want to just check the box, Never Send It to Spam, and Create Filter. And that's it. That's as easy as it is to do this. Now, if you wanted to add more people to this list, you could just go back and click Edit. And here in your From box, you can simply just add some or statements and add some other emails. You want to make sure this or is uppercase or, not lowercase or. And you could just keep adding more by adding more ors. For me, I'll just go with this and hit Continue. And I'll keep all of this the same, update filter, and that's done. So now if I get any emails from either one of these emails, it will no longer go to my spam folder, it will go to my inbox. And that should do it. Thanks for watching. Always leave comments with what other videos you want to see, and I'll see you next time.